Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to GB's Makeover. If you're new here, thank you for joining us today. And to my loyal squad, you know how we do it. Today's video is a little different. It's a blend of beauty, a bit of struggle, and a life lesson that will have you laughing but thinking long after you're done watching. We're getting into short French coils in a boho style. Sounds fabulous, right? But trust me, it wasn't exactly a smooth journey. Those extensions had a mind of their own. The struggle was real because of the short hair. But let me tell you, I showed them who's boss. Stick around because I'll be sharing an important lesson that came out of this madness. So let's get right into it. Alright, so here we have our short hair all prepped and ready. First things first, make sure your hair is properly washed, conditioned, and detangled. Trust me, these extensions need a solid foundation because they can be slippery. Just like some people we know who only hang around when things are easy. We'll get that soon. Now grab a section of the hair, small enough to hold the coil securely, but not so tiny that it looks like the extensions are wearing you. When I started this, I thought it will be fine just to weave them in, let's braid them in. I wish those extensions were slippery and sliding like they were auditioning for a dance competition. Okay, see, I wasn't ready to give up. Every time they slipped, I took a deep breath, I adjusted and plait it more, not too tight to the scalp but tighter to the hair. A little trick I discovered is using smaller tight section and adding some edge control or styling gel to the roots. And if one extension still refuses to cooperate, well, that's when you give it that serious don't mess with me look. But as I was struggling with this hair, it got me thinking. Sometimes in life we find ourselves in similar situations where we're holding on to things that just won't stay. Friends, relationships, even lifestyle that just keep slipping away from us. And it can be so tempting to pretend it's all working when deep down we're just struggling to keep it up, keep it all in place. We live in a world that makes it so easy to fall into the trap of living to impress others. Maybe on social media or even at those big family gatherings. People be doing the most to keep up appearances. But when it's all said and done, who's paying the price? We are. Just like I was here struggling with these extensions that just wouldn't stay in the name of that perfect boho look. Anyway, back to our boho beauty. So after I managed to plait and secure everything in place, I started to see the style come together. It was a struggle, but by taking my time and adjusting as needed, I could get the extensions to work with me, not against me. And this is right here is the key, my people. Know when to adjust and when to let go. I could have kept forcing it, pretending it was working, and ended up with a hot mess on my client's head. Instead, I adapted to make it work. Just like in life, when we stop trying to impress people and just focus on being real. There we go, finally got it all together. And it looks pretty amazing. If I do say so myself, this is what happens when you don't give up, but don't force things that just won't work either. You find a way to make it your own. Here's the lesson, my loves. Life's too short to be struggling with people's situations or things that don't work for you. Whether it's a friend who only sticks around for your good times, a job that doesn't fit, or even that one hairstyle you just don't know, isn't it? For you, there's always a way to let go and choose what feels right. And when you focus on what genuinely works, it's magic. Look at these coils now, boho fun and staying in place, all because I stopped fighting them and found my way to make it work. So if you're still watching, you're a real one. And I hope this video gave you more than just a hairstyle. Remember to be real, stay true to yourself, and know when to let go. And if you love this little boho tutorial with a life lesson twist, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We are building a community here where we are real, we are fun, and we are all about growth, and glow up. Thank you so much for watching, my loves. Now go out there and be the boss of your own life. Till next time, still fabulous.